Ladies and gentlemen, have you realized why you lose your pictures, documents, and other important things? You change a phone, but you are worried. That's why some people don't want to change phones. How will I save my work? I have so many things on this phone. Now getting a new phone, transferring everything. What am I going to do? Worry no more. In this video lesson, we are going to cure that. I'm going to show you how you can back up your photos, how you can back up your documents and save them, such that even when you change from one phone to another, you only need your Google account, such that all your things are now transferred to a new phone. For as long as you know a password, you still remember your email, that's your Google account. So basically, in this lesson, we are going to go through what we call cloud computing. What does that mean, cloud computing? Saving your documents in the cloud, making a backup of your work on the internet, such that when you lose your phone, maybe a thief has taken it, you just laugh on. That's for no, that's what I do. So you need two applications in this case. These applications are, one is Google Photos, or photo app, this one here, Google Photos, will help us to save our photos, pictures. Then for the documents, we need this application, Google Drive. Okay, if you don't have these applications, you can go to Google Play Store, you search for Drive, only put there Drive, you search for Drive. This is the application that I'm talking about, this one here, Google Drive. If you don't have it, then you go ahead downloading it. The second application that you need to back up your things is the photos. That one here, Google Photos. It is a very important application. So let us assume you went into your camera on your phone. In your camera, you took your pictures. After taking this picture of yours, you want to make a copy, you back up in the cloud. So you open Photos. These are your pictures. They are in the phone, but you have not backed them up. So up here in the top right corner, where there is your picture, if you set it there, your icon, in the top right corner, you select that picture, then you go to the Photos settings. I said top right corner, then Photos settings. In Photos settings, you select backup. If it is not on, you switch it on, like that. Backup photos and videos in your camera folder. You select it. So Down here we have so much other settings. Backup quality, you select the quality you want. The second one, store more at slightly reduced quality. Photos are compressed. So I recommend that you choose the original quality, backup with no change to quality. First 15 GB at no charge. Photos and videos in a full resolution. So it is better you choose original quality. Then mobile data usage. Backup photos only. It is up to you. You can say unlimited 100 MB such that when you are backing up, the moment you consume 100 MBs, it stops. So ladies and gentlemen, backup needs when you have data bundles. However, you are spending the data bundles when you are unsure because you are saving a life. So you choose unlimited. If you also want to back up videos over data, you turn off, you turn on. However, videos may consume a lot of data and you may not need them so much. But if you have a video that you need, turn on. Okay. So here they are showing me that they are backing up. Okay. Videos are being backed up. This one shows that you are backing up. I have so many videos here. So if you don't want videos to back up, you go back to settings, backup, down here, you turn off. Even Wi-Fi is used for backup when available. Let me try to go back and we see there is nothing showing that you are backing up. So let's proceed with other settings. Backup other device folders, assuming you have other folders that you want also to back up. So I can say backup all device folders, automatically including new folders. So for you select everything that whatever picture is in this folder, in these folders will be backed up. In a Canva, in a movies, in whatever, for as long as is a picture will be backed up. But to me, I chose pictures that I took with my phone. Okay, so that is it. Then we have this locked folder. You can also back up for the locked folder. So if you do that, your photo application will automatically back up your pictures, your videos, and whatever is important to you. This application is so important and vital. If you try to go to collections, it will organize your pictures. It will give you chance. If you have people, you categorize them, give them names. You see, for example, my photos of mine are here. So they categorize the faces such that if you have, for example, my mother, my mommy, all the pictures for my mother are categorized there under people. I have this sister of mine, Rachel Prim. All the pictures that Rachel involved herself in are categorized here. My big bro right there, his pictures are there categorized, and so many other people, friends and family. So this is how rich this application is. Albums are given to you, their documents are also categorized. Everything is here. Trash pictures that I deleted are also right there. It keeps on giving me memories. So this application is very, very important, very good. Upon being reminded about the memories. So that is how you back up your photos. They are backed up on your Google account. Then lastly, I want to show you how you back up your documents in Google Drive. So this business, I lost their documents. Do you what? For me, I backed up my documents are here. I can't lose them. All my documents are here. You can create a folder and keep them there. Academia, I have my application letters and all that. My content, my books, they are right here. They are backed up. So how do you do this? So you can open Google Drive. You open Google Drive. The dashboard is here, home. Select home. They show you what is in the home tab. Files. So if you want to create a folder, this plus symbol here, you can say I want a folder. I call this Canva, over new documents, anything. Can say documents. Then I create my folder here, documents, such that you categorize your things easily in a folder. If you don't want, you say, let us begin with the folder. This one here, you open it, it is empty. So add something there in the plus symbol. You select upload. When you select upload, they take you in your phone. You select what you want to upload. For example, this document here, agent's agreement, and I select it, which means it is going to be located in the folder that I have just created, which is documents. Then I say upload. The moment you select upload, the process begins preparing to upload. You can even follow up here. You see they are uploading. Okay, so you are going to save in your folder called documents. If you want to just save not in a folder, you can as well go back and open a drive. You open this application drive, then you save anywhere. You use the plus symbol right here. Select upload. Then you upload what you want. Let us assume what you want to upload is in documents. You go to documents. In a document, you select what you want. For example, I want to upload this. It will be located in my drive. Just open it like that. That's why I said it is important to upload, to save, to back up in a folder. So upload, yeah, you wait. They are uploading. Our documents. The moment it is done, that will be okay, and that will be the end of it. All your documents would have been uploaded. So that is what we are calling back up or cloud computing.